Alright guys, it's Emil again. Today we're going to go over custom features from the Ionic Lab. Uh, this is a little bit more different than what we usually do. So it generates custom features for complex crystal structures that aren't particularly easily or sufficiently explainable using SAF or CAF that are displayed here. And this is available on our lab website. It gives you a bunch of geometric structural information like polyhedron volumes, edge distortions, atomic distances, and it specifies it at specific sites. So you click the link, it takes you to our GitHub repository, and I just did some pretty minor edits. You could go through all the readings, all the reading here. It gives you some nice examples of the things that are outlaid, and as well as proper installation procedure. So you just follow this like this, exactly in your terminal here, and it should not go through any problems. And we also have a notebook, and you can see that we have a demo notebook here. It has certain outputs, but let's run through that together. So all you have to do is you put in the path of the CIF, and the way that this works is the notebook already has this set as the path. So it looks at the directory. Okay, we know that there's this particular CIF file. Fine, that's good. So we'll let that run. And again, I also have the environment activated through Conda. So I don't have to reinstall all the requirements because those are already fulfilled. So all I do is just give it a little bit of time. And what's nice is in the next portion, you could select which site that you want to work with. So in particular, we want to work with manganese. You get the first 4 neighbors using this. So you could, adjust the CIF file accordingly and get it done. Or you could do a for loop, however you want to do it. You could adjust it with Claude or GPT. So it, is very easy to get that going. So it gives you volume, distance, edges. And the nice thing about these notebooks is, you could just run them in a little, code editor like this, nothing fancy, and you just run it using Shift and Enter for each of the sites. So again, start from the Antimony 4 site, the first 10 neighbors, nearest neighbors, and all the functions are defined already. You could also uncomment this out, I believe, just like that. And it'll also print your nodes, but it does take quite a bit of data. And you could also do the following. And again, just gives you as much, you could limit however amount of detail that you want. Average distances, shortest distances, and distortion here. And I believe that should be pretty much it, yeah. So again, pretty simple to use. All the requirements should be satisfied, and we use our own CIF kit to work with much of these data pieces. So any questions, or you have any comments, queries, or concerns, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll try to get to it promptly. So thank you guys again, and we look forward to seeing what you do with this.